Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to make a 4th of July inspired Deco mesh flower. What you will need, this is the smaller 10-inch wreath ring. I have the Deco mesh from Dollar Tree. It is 6 inches wide. I'm going to cut them into 10-inch long pieces. I have 4 rolls and a lot of chenille stems, and I cut those in half. Scissors, rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is take all of these. I have red, white, blue, and then this stripe of combination of red, white, and blue. And I'm going to cut each of them into 10-inch long pieces. The strips is take 2 colors. I have red and white. And then I have the blue and the stripe, and then I'm just going to alternate back and forth. So you just want to bring the center together, and you could stop them here if you'd like, or you can lie them over each other just like that. Then you're just going to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch all the way up and hold it in your finger, and then do the same thing again. Scrunch, scrunch, just like that, and lie them over each other. Give it a small twist. Take my chenille stem right in the center, and I'm going to pull it all up, and this also gives me a chance to make sure they're all even. And twist and twist. 2 twists. And then you'll be able to adjust it more once you have them all together on the ring. Bring it down, cross over just like that, and then scrunch. Just like that. Small twist. Take a chenille stem. One, 2 twists. Just like that. And just keep going and alternating back and forth. Alright, so now we are ready to start placing the Deco mesh onto the ring. I like to start on the outer ring and work my way towards the center. Okay, so we have it here with the 2 twists at the bottom. You're just going to, and I like to start right here. Give it 2 twists. And what I'm doing, I'm just twisting it together on the back a couple of times. And it does move, so you have to be very careful. Just like that. So the more that I place, the closer they will be. Alright, so I've completed the outer ring. That's what it looks like. And I just keep like adjusting it and pressing it down. Alright, so I have placed all of the Deco mesh on the outer and inner rings. And this is what it looks like. So I used 5 bundles for each of the outer ring sections, and I used 3 bundles for each of the inner ring sections. Last thing we have to do is the center. You can really have fun with this. You can make it really anything that you'd like. You can use styrofoam, more Deco mesh. You can use cardstock. I mean, you can really just have fun with it. You can add glitter, whatever you'd like. So we're just going to add the center and we will be all done. So next I'm going to use this styrofoam circle that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover it in Mod Podge and sprinkle it with glitter to make my center. Alright, so we are all done. This is what it looks like. Really pretty and sparkly. You could do the sides, but the sides aren't really going to show much, so I didn't bother putting glitter on them. Last thing we're going to do is place the center in the middle of our flower. Now there are several ways you can do this. You could put a piece of cardstock paper or cardboard right here at the back just to have a little extra security. But I mean, the styrofoam circle doesn't weigh that much, so what I'm going to do is just take hot glue and put it on all the chenille stems and then glue the styrofoam circle to the center. It doesn't weigh much, so I don't feel like I need to add the support in the back. But if you're going to use something heavier like rocks or stones or anything like that, you definitely want the extra support. Then just take my styrofoam and press it down. And I'm going to hold it here for a few seconds just to make sure it's nice and secure. So that's how the center looks. And then you could definitely fluff it up around it. Just like that.